Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and we have a unpackaging today. The reason why I have this watch in my hand, and you'll probably tell from the title, is this big old padded envelope here. I believe is for the clasp for the commuter. It came from Traska, and I requested a new clasp. Or actually, I told them about the issue with this watch and the clasp, and they offered to send out a new clasp. So the issue is this clasp sticks. Let's see if I can demonstrate it on camera here. Let me zoom in. I just zoomed out because this thing is so big. So, well, it fell off there. But if you remember from my review and my unboxing, I had an issue with this. Yeah, see, I'm pushing this and it's not coming off all that easy. So I'm going to open this and then I'm going to attempt to install the new clasp on camera. I'm assuming it's just 2 spring bars there, and then I'll be able to get it out. So let's get this open here using my little package opening knife here, which isn't apparently not all that sharp from the factory, so I might have to sharpen it one of these days. It's gotta be good enough. It's in the envelope here. So if you guys are having the same issue with your commuter, I suggest you reach out to Traska. It's pretty simple. Just shoot them an email and they'll send you out a clasp. I think actually someone had commented on the video of this watch that they had requested a new clasp and they got one. So that is what inspired me. I guess it's taped in this little paper envelope thing. So let's see how this clasp is. Oh yeah, super easy. So should not be any issues with the new clasp here. That's strange. So anyway, let's change this out. Oh, so okay, yeah, okay, that makes sense. I was thinking I was just going to replace, take out this spring bar and this spring bar here, and this part would be new, but it's the whole entire clasp assembly that is new. Okay, so that makes sense. Just take this part here. I think it's got scratch resistant coating. There we go. You gotta get a little cup or a work mat or something. Just put it in there. Actually, I could probably just use that right now. I'll get my magnifying glasses visor. There we go. Yeah, I guess you guys can't see that on camera. There we go for that. Should just be able to remove this micro adjust. All right, got that in there. I think I have it on the right way. This went on easy enough. Yeah, this definitely a lot easier to use. No issues at all there. So well done with the customer service there, Traska. They sent it out right away. No questions asked. And I received it, within a couple of days, a few days of me requesting a resolution for this issue. So well done, and not too bad. If I can do it, you can do it. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And I'll catch you on the next video.